special board presentation. Tonight we have with us Sterlo Architects to talk about the new classroom project, Kelly McCoy and Kirk Bruheiser.
This works? Okay, very good. I'm Kirk Bruheiser and Kelly McCoy. We're from Sterlo Architects. We're presenting the basically the renovation of the existing auditorium into new classrooms and a new band and choral area. And basically this is going to be a reiteration of what we've presented before. Where we are now is we're ready to go out for bids, and of course we would need the board approval to do so. So we're going to go through the set to show where we are and where the project is, and then through the budget, estimates, schedule, and then the advertising for bids. So we'll start with the set. This is, again, renovations and alterations to Crestview High School Music Suite. We'll try to make this very quick. This is basically the exiting, and to make sure that all the exiting out of the new spaces is according to code, which it is. This is basically the existing auditorium, and it's a demo plan, meaning showing what's going to be removed so that we can build what is coming next. And this is one of the alternates for structuring the slab, which doesn't make much sense right now. We'll get further into it. But there's some alternates for how we're going to structure the elevated slab to support the new classrooms. This is basically the new plan. Again, this is all of the floor plan. The existing stage is going to be enclosed with this wall. This will be a new teaching area and computer testing area. A new corridor will be brought here. We'll have exit out of the building here. 2 new classrooms, which this is now the elevated floor area that we were talking about. And then the existing stepped area of the auditorium will become the new band and choral area. And that will all be new carpeting and then new vinyl tile, in the classrooms. These are various dimension plans for the contractors. This is the new ceiling plan. We're going to be reusing what's there over the stage, reusing the lights and putting in new where we need to. All of this area here is going to be taken out and redone, and then reuse a lot of the existing lights over the seating area. And this is the new plan that shows that. These are details, sections through to show how it's constructed. Basically, the new walls around the classroom will be metal stud walls with gypsum board, fire rated as need be, and acoustic treated as well. There are a couple alternates that we're going to be pricing on the project. One is these triangular acoustic elements that go down the sides of the auditorium. We want to see if we can repaint those. And then also the back of the auditorium has acoustic panels that are done in a more purple color, and we want to recover those, reupholster those to match the new color scheme that we'll get to at the end. It's the new door frame schedule, the new wall construction. These are the new, we'll get to the finishes here, the new tile floor and the carpet, and we'll show what the new patterns will be. Now we're getting into the consultants. These are the electrical drawings, shows the demolition of the existing lights and which lights will be retained. The new lighting system on various building rooms. This is the electrical plan, the power plan for electricity and so forth. All of the schedule for the various electrical items. This is the demolition and what's going to be retained from the HVAC or the mechanical. All of this area here will be demolished for the new classroom in here, but we will be retaining the HVAC and the ducting and the diffusing over the auditorium area and over over the stage area. And then in here, we're providing new ductwork, which is what this drawing shows as well. So we've attempted to use what we, and reuse what we could and put in new where we need to. And again, more mechanical details. This is basically a sample board that shows what the new finishes in the room will be. This up here is the new tile finishes, and what we try to do is pull our color scheme that we did here, which is the gold and the black, CRESTVIEW's colors, and we try to introduce them over there as well, so that will relate back to this project and unify them. Again, this is the old auditorium and the stage area. We'll have new carpet all in the choral area, which is this, and we can pass that around. And again, it picks up the black and the gold. We're going to have new vinyl tile on the floor in the new corridor serving the new classrooms. And then we have some accent tile, black underneath the new cabinetry, and then a gold accent here in the classroom and at the entrances to the two ends. And that's basically this tile here, and it matches what we're using here also in this wing. The new black also matches. This is the new tile here that matches what we have here also. And then we have accent colors. We're using black and gold as we have done here as well, with the walls of the classroom here is black. They'll have the doors will be gold, so they'll stand out against that. And the same thing with the entrances into the band area will be gold doors and the black walls. And then at the back wall of the auditorium will be the gold wall as well. And then all the other tile in here will be a more neutral